Welcome to our Unity Prayer Service for January 2025. We begin this year, as we always do, through the power of prayer, and invite you to join us and take some time in the stillness with us. So let us begin by getting comfortable wherever we are, by closing our eyes if we're comfortable to do so, and taking a holy breath. As we breathe in and out, we relax into the sacredness of this time that we share. So right here, right now, in this sacred moment, as we draw a deeply calming breath, we effortlessly and swiftly pull our focus away from the day's hustle and bustle. We shift our attention from the external world to the serene space within, where time slows and tranquility reigns. It's our very own inner sanctuary of divine life, love, and wisdom. Here and now, we open our hearts and minds wide, preparing ourselves to pray. I am calm and centered in infinite peace. Peace courses through me like a tranquil river, permeating every aspect of my being. I stand united with the divine, exercising spiritual dominion over my tempestuous thoughts and turbulent feelings. No force can disturb my equilibrium or rattle me, as peace supplants all my anxieties. At this moment, I am deeply rooted in composure, serenity, and tranquility, hushed in mind and spirit, cradled in the assuredness of divine peace. With unwavering faith, I move forward, anchored by the radiant light within. This divine light of wisdom is my constant guide, illuminating the path before me even when I cannot see it clearly. Though it sometimes feels distant, I trust in its presence, knowing that with each step, the wisdom within me lights the way. I center my heart on this light, finding peace in stillness, where its guidance shines brightest. I am one with the divine, filled with vitality, strength, and perfect health in every moment. In this sacred moment, I recognize and affirm the truth of my divine nature. I am one with the infinite life of God, and in this oneness I am healed. I release and deny any belief in limited health or well-being. Such beliefs hold no power over me, for I know that God's life flows through me, filling every cell of my being with vitality, strength, and wholeness. I claim my inherent well-being now. I am whole. I am strong. I am fully alive. I acknowledge that healing is my birthright, and I embrace it fully by aligning with the truth of who I am, an expression of divine life. I am grateful for the abundance and possibilities that flow effortlessly into my life. In gratitude, I open my heart and mind to the abundant blessings that abound. I live in a constant state of awareness, seeing possibilities in every person and circumstance, and blessings in each possibility. I trust that in every moment of need, divine ideas flow to me with ease, guiding me toward prosperity and fulfillment. I give thanks for the ever-present abundance in my life, knowing that I am always supported and provided for. I am in perfect harmony with all that is, embracing peace, love, and unity in every moment. I center myself in the awareness of peace, With an open heart and an open mind, I choose to live in harmony with all people. I embrace the divine truth of loving my neighbor as myself, acting with compassion, understanding, and respect. I am willing to listen, learn, and experience the world through the eyes of others. Guided by love, I seek solutions that unite us, creating partnerships that uplift and strengthen us. As I promote peace within, I know it radiates outward, touching the lives of all I encounter. Today I am the beacon that lights up the world. By embodying peace, sharing wisdom, pursuing well-being, and fostering prosperity, I pave the way for others. The light that radiates from me is rooted in my own being. As we conclude, I find great blessings in uniting our voices to recite the prayer for protection together. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is. And so it is. Amen. So bless you and thank you for being present today.